Good morning, dear students. Today I would like to tell about exercise 1.3 estimated numbers. Question first, estimate each of the following using general rules. What is general rules? जनरल रूल्स क्या होते हैं? एस्टिमेटेड के एस्टिमेशन के जनरल रूल्स क्या होते हैं? यदि कोई नंबर 2 डिजिट का है तो उसका 10 से जितने डिजिट का है कोई नंबर उसका उतने ही डिजिट से एस्टिमेशन करते हैं. जैसे 2 डिजिट का है तो 10 से एस्टिमेट करते हैं. 3 डिजिट नंबर है तो 100 से एस्टिमेट करते हैं. 4 डिजिट है तो 1000 से एस्टिमेट करते हैं. ये इसकी जनरल रूल्स हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 730 plus 998. So we will estimate these numbers. 730 rounds of 2. अब estimate rounds of में कैसे देते हैं? ये 3 डिजिट नंबर है. 3 डिजिट नंबर होने पर 100 से एस्टिमेशन करते हैं. ये नंबर यदि 5 और 5 से ग्रेटर है, टेंस नंबर यदि 5 और 5 से ग्रेटर है तो दोनों डिजिट्स को 0 करके और लास्ट डिजिट को 1 से ऐड कर देते हैं. बट 5 से कम है तो दोनों को 0 कर देंगे और लास्ट में ऐड नहीं करेंगे. 730 राउंड्स ऑफ टू 700 एंड 998 राउंड्स ऑफ टू 1000. So estimated sum will be 1700. In this question 796 minus 314, 796 rounds off to 800 and 314 rounds off to 300 and answer will be 0. Estimated subtraction 0 500. Estimated subtraction will be 500. 12,904 plus 2,888. 12,904 rounds off to 13,000. 13,000 plus 2,888 rounds of 3,000. So estimated sum will be 13 plus 3 16,000. In this question 28,292 minus 21,496. Then 28,292 rounds off to 28,000 because this number is less than 500. So 28,000 and this number 21,496. 496 is less than 500. So estimated rounds of this 21,000. In this question subtraction, so estimated subtraction will be 7,000. So question first is complete. Now similarly we can write many more examples. Now it's like this. Now we come to next question number 2. Give a estimate by rounding off to nearest 100 and also closure estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. This is by rounding off nearest 100 and this nearest tens. In nearest 100 439 rounds off to will be 400 and this 334 rounds off to 300 and this 4,370 rounds off to nearest 100 will be 4,300. Then estimated sum will be 43 plus 3 46 plus 4 5 then 500. Then estimated sum will be 500. In rounding of nearest tens 439 rounds off to 440 and 334 rounds off to 330 and 4,317 rounds off to 4,320. This will be estimated sum 0, 9, 5,090. So this is completed. 1,08,734 and 47,599. Estimated in rounding off to nearest 100. So 1,08,734 rounds off to 8,700, and this 47,600. Then estimated subtraction will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 6, 61,000 and 100. Now rounding off to nearest tens, 1,08,734 rounds off to nearest 10, and value will be 1,08,730. This rounds off to 47,600. So estimated subtraction will be this 61,130. 8,325 minus 491 in estimated in nearest 100. 8,325 rounds off to nearest 100, 8,300, and 491 rounds off to will be 500. Subtraction will be 0, 0, 7,800. In nearest tens, 8,325 round off to, and this will be in nearest tens 8,330, and this will be 490. Estimated subtraction will be 3, 4, 7,840. In nearest 100, 4,89,348 rounds off to, ये rounds off to में होगा 4,89,300, and this number will be 48,400, and estimated subtraction will be 0, 0, 13 minus 4, 9, 8 minus 8, 0, and 4, 4,09,000, 4,40,900, and in nearest tens this number will be 4,89,300, and this number will be 48,370. Estimated subtraction will be 0, 10 minus 7, 3, 12 minus 3, 9, 8 minus 8, 0, 8 minus 4, 4, and 4, 4,40,930. So this will be nearest 10, 48 equals to 350, and this will be 15 minus 7, 8 is 4,40,980. Question number second. Now we come to next question number third. Estimate the following product using general rules. 578 into 161, 578 rounds off to 600, and 168 rounds off to 200. So estimated product will be 600 into 200 equals to 1,20,000. 5,281 into 3,491. So 5,281 rounds off to 500. 3,491 rounds off to 3,000. So estimated product will be 5,000 into 3,000 equals to 1 crore 50 lakhs. 1,291 into 592 rounds off to 1,300 and 592 rounds off to 600. So estimated product will be 1,300 into 600, 7,80,000. 9,250 into 29. Then estimated of this 9,000, estimated of 29 rounds off to 30, and estimated product will be 9,000 into 30 equals to 2,70,000. But in this question, one or two questions, but this is contradicts. In this question, 2,950 into 29, then estimated of this according to questions given in 10,000. 9,250 rounds off to given in question 10,000. So it is contradictory. So according to general rules, this will be correct. 2,70,000. This is complete exercise 1.3.